Hi friends, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. Now today I am the host of my annual one pot meal, and my co-hosts are Gladys of Gigi Faison Loving Home Decor and Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist of the other participants down below in the description. Now, I host this every year, and all I ask you to do is prepare a meal in one pot. Now, if you're interested in seeing what I came up with this year, you know what to do. Stick around. Here I want to show you some of the things I'm going to be using. I have my garlic powder, my paprika, my salt and pepper, and then I have some minced garlic. I have some celery. Yes, that's celery. It's been chopped up and frozen. I'm using cabbage, some beef tips, some beef broth, and some olive oil, and I will be using stewed tomatoes. These are some of the items that I'm going to be using in preparing my meal tonight in the Instant Pot. So I'll have the ingredients down below if you're interested in trying it. So here is my Instant Pot. I'm going to stop talking and just let you watch me prepare my meal.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back,
This tastes so good. This is my first time fixing it in the Insta-pot, and I really like how it came out. So you try it and you let me know. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.